We are all delighted to welcome everyone on board this flight PR655 bound for Manila. Expect to depart on schedule at 7:15 in the evening. Our flying time for tonight is 8 hours and 50 minutes, and we will be cruising at we will climb to our cruising altitude of 39,000 feet. We expect fair weather during the flight. Our estimated time of arrival in Manila is at about 9:35 in the morning. And for your information, time difference is 5 hours. Be careful for your safety. Please take your assigned seats as soon as possible to facilitate our departure, and keep your seatbelt fastened at all times, as we may experience unexpected turbulence during the flight. We will update you with the latest travel information as we get closer to our destination, Manila. Thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay.